If you've ever tried sending multiple files through Gmail, you know it can get a little messy. That's where zip files come in. They let you bundle everything together neatly, and they're perfect for when your files are just a little too big to send individually. In this guide, I'll walk you through step by step how to send a zip file in Gmail quickly and easily. First, open Gmail and log into your account if you haven't already. From your inbox, look at the top left corner and click on the Compose button. This will open up a brand new email draft where we'll be preparing your message. Now, at the bottom of your draft, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files. This is the one we'll be using. Click it, and a File Explorer window will pop up. From here, navigate to wherever your zip file is saved on your computer. Maybe it's on your desktop, maybe in your Downloads folder, or in a project folder you've created. Once you find it, click on it, and then hit Open. Gmail will now begin uploading that zip file into your email. The upload time will depend on your file size and your internet connection, so give it a moment. You'll know it's fully uploaded when you see the file appear just above the body of your email draft as an attachment. With the file in place, it's time to finish the email. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, add a clear subject line. Something like Project Files Attached works well, and if needed, include a short message in the body explaining what the file contains. This is especially useful if the person isn't expecting the attachment. Once everything looks good, all that's left is to click the bright blue Send button in the bottom left corner. And just like that, your zip file is on its way. That's the whole process. Super simple, super effective. Now, you know how to send zip files in Gmail without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.